Penny Pinchers, welcome back to my channel. This is your Glamorous Penny Pincher, Shalomie. Welcome to our third annual Christmas tree extravaganza hosted by none other than the Dream Team. So today, my fabulous sisters of the Dream Team and I will be showing you our Christmas trees and what we're doing for the holidays. Different trends, different colors. You know exactly how we do. Today I'm going to do this slim tree here. This is not my main tree, but I'm going to start here. This is right at my entryway, and right back here is where my main tree will be. But today the focus is on this beautiful tree right here. I'm going to decorate it in its fullest. As well, my sisters will be decorating their trees. I will have a link below for you to check them all out so you can see their beautiful work and get some amazing ideas for your Christmas and holiday home decor as well. All right, guys, so here are the items that I'll be working with today. All of these beautiful items here. And then I have 2 boxes of ornaments and picks and bows from last Christmas. So the first thing I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to start with my ribbons. I'm using these 2 right here. They're pretty much the same pattern, but different sizes. This one is, I think, 4.5 inches wide, and this one is about 2.5 inches wide. So I'm just going to play around with it. I'm going to make little bows, and a lot of people start with their topper. I don't know why I do it. I start with the bows, with the ribbons, and then I do my toppers last. So let's get started with adding our ribbon. All right, guys, so I've added my first layer of ribbon, and then I brought it down, not all the way down to the bottom. I stopped it maybe 3/4 of the way down, and I just cut me a little fishtail in it. I'm gonna continue with adding more ribbons to it in different spaces, and until I get the desired look before I move on to the next step. But for now, this is what it looks like. It's already beautiful, and I haven't even really gotten started yet. Let's continue to go. Okay, guys, so I've added a lot of the black and white ribbon. I've done a few layers of it, the big one as well as some of the smaller ones. Now I'm going to start adding some maybe gold in it by using one of the other pattern ribbons that I have. Actually, it's the same pattern, but it's gold. So let me go ahead and start adding just some little bows, you know, in random spots. And after that, we're gonna start adding our picks. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of this same pattern, but gold and black, maybe in some of these areas right here, but I'm gonna make them much smaller than having the long kind of baguettes that I have here. I'm gonna maybe do 2 or 3 loops each, and just kind of start filling the areas in. All right, so I've added like 3 loops. They're flat for right now. I'm gonna tie it in with a pipe cleaner just by pinching the bottom and just wrapping the pipe cleaner around it to hold it in place. Just like so. And then I'm going to attach it to the branch. I'm gonna put it right here. Then after attaching it to the branch, then you go ahead and fluff it out, right? So it doesn't stay flat. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and add a few more of these, maybe 3 or so more pieces, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Okay guys, this is all the ribboning I'm gonna do for right now. You can see I added about 4 different clusters of those loops. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start to add my ornaments in, and I'm aiming for those areas with the big gaps in it. I'm going to start decorating the tree from the inside out. So I'm going to start putting a lot of the bigger ornaments, stuffing them in these little gaps here to make the tree appear full. Alrighty guys, I'm going to start going in with some of these larger ornaments, and I am just going to, like I said, look for the gaps and push them all the way back. And I especially like using these ornaments with a little bit of glitter. It's kind of hard for you to see because the light bounces off of them so perfectly when they're all the way back there. I'm probably going to trade this matte one out for one that has a little bit of glitter as I shove them back toward the back of the tree. All right guys, we're coming along quite nicely. I'm going to take a pause from adding more ornaments, and I'm going to start adding some picks to do a little bit more filling. You know, these are basically tree fillers, and then after I add some picks, I'll reassess and then see if I need to add the remainder of the ornaments. All right, so let's add picks. All the picks that I'm using here, guys, I picked up from Hobby Lobby. If you're doing black and white or incorporating any kind of black in your Christmas decor this season, this is the best time, guys, to go out to pretty much any store that has florals and start looking in their Halloween section. You can find a lot of picks that are black in their Halloween section that you can use for your Christmas decor. So check your Michaels, check your Joann's. Of course, Hobby Lobby always has beautiful picks, and around Christmas time, all their items are 50% off. But if you're having trouble, check your other stores that have florals and check the Halloween section if you're incorporating black into your Christmas decor this year. Guys, I've added the black picks and they have added so much depth to this tree. I absolutely love these black picks, and now I'm wishing I had picked up some more. What I'm going to do is I'm probably going to pivot and not use the other ones I just showed you. I'm gonna pivot from using these for a little while, and I'm gonna find maybe some other black and gold ones that are just as elegant as these black ones to add to the tree. And like I said, I'm just gonna hold off a little bit on these because I love what this black is doing so far. All right guys, so I found these pampas grass that I've had since last year. I think I got these from Temu last year sometime. These were also in my 2023 Christmas tree. I added these pampas grass in there. I'm gonna add a few of them to this tree and then I'll come back and show you what that looks like. Okay guys, so I added the pampas grass, maybe about 6 or so picks of it just throughout the tree. And I'm liking the way it looks. Everything is coming together real nicely. Because it's a small tree, what I'm going to do now, instead of adding any more picks, I'm going to start adding some ornaments and just kind of check out, you know, what that looks like. And if I need to add more picks afterwards, then I'll do that. Listen, when decorating your tree, step away from it, look at it, make sure that the placement is where you want it to be. And if not, go ahead and change it. Try it out, see if you like it. If you don't like it, change it, because guess what? It is your tree and you're the one who's gonna have to look at it for the entire Christmas season. So make sure that you're checking every inch of it out to make sure that it is to your liking. And if not, go ahead and make the adjustments. Guys, I'm gonna start with these ornaments, and these are ones that I picked up from Hobby Lobby also. It is 5 in a pack for $19.99 and then 50% off. They do not come with the hangers, but you know me, I'm always adding my own hangers. This is a ribbon that I got from Hobby Lobby as well, and I just hot glued them on to the ornaments. These are absolutely gorgeous. And you know what the weirdest thing is, guys? They smell amazing. I don't know if they sprayed perfume or what kind of scent they have in the box, but they smell amazing. So let's start adding these beautiful ornaments. All right, guys, I've added a fair bit of ornaments all over. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the smaller ones and I'm gonna put them in clusters using my pipe cleaner. And then I'm just gonna look for areas, probably closer toward the bottom of the tree, to put these on. So that way I have all my ornaments filled in. All right, guys, we're winding down nicely. I'll take you in a little bit closer and just show you some of the beautiful ornaments that I've added. Super gorge all over this tree. And then now I'm gonna work on the final touches. And if you notice, I still don't have a topper. So let's get the topper on and then our tree will be complete. All right, guys, I'm gonna add some of these beautiful gold picks to the top of the tree to complete it. And then I have one more little surprise that I'm gonna add there. I'm gonna put these out and then I'm gonna show you what that is. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, we're all done. And here is my tree entitled Tuxedo Nights. It is absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna take you in a little closer so you can see all the details. I have put the topper on, and guys, this is the additional piece that I added. This is a tuxedo bow tie. I got it from Craftex. I will leave a link below for you. I believe they have them in different colors, but when I leave the link, you can check it out. The top, I just added some gold picks, and I've had those picks for a while, and incorporated a few of the black picks with it as well. But this is absolutely beautiful. And this tree greets you the minute you come through my front door. I'm gonna pan down a little bit and show you something else that I did. So what I have there, as you can see, is I have a tree collar, but then I went ahead and added some tulle just for a little bit of, you know, drama. A little bit of dramatic effect. I can keep it or I can remove it because, like I said, the collar is there. But because it's tuxedo and it's so formal, I felt like adding the tulle to it. Super, super gorge. So just to give you a quick rundown again, guys, of where I got the items. These iridescent ornaments, I got them from Michael's. The ribbon here came from Amazon. These beautiful ornaments came from Hobby Lobby. I have a few of them here. This ribbon came from Amazon. These velvet balls, Hobby Lobby. These black picks, Hobby Lobby. Most of the items here came from Hobby Lobby, guys. And like I said, I will link everything for you in the description box below, or I will even tag products, guys. That way you can just look at the product, click it and purchase it if that option is available. Otherwise, I'll have everything in my description box. But guys, leave me a comment below and let me know what you think of my tree. This tree is named Tuxedo Nights. Absolutely love it. Okay guys, I wanted to show you the tree with my reindeer. This is the set that I had in my last haul video from Walmart. I'm also gonna put a product tag for them as well. That way you can just click and purchase. This is not where they're going to stay, but I wanted to see how they look with all the decor on the tree, and I think they look absolutely gorgeous. Okay guys, that is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to head on over to my YouTube sisters pages and see their amazing trees as well. I will leave the links below for you. That way you can click and go. And guys, thank you so much for joining me. I really do appreciate you stopping by. And if this is your first time seeing my channel, welcome, 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 welcome. I truly do appreciate you clicking on this video and would love for you to join the Penny Pincher family. It's real simple, guys. All you have to do is to click that subscribe button below and make sure you hit that notification bell also. That way you are the first to know when I upload new videos. And guys, in this season, I will be doing a lot of videos. I'm gonna keep them coming because you know this is my favorite time of year. This again, like I said, is not my main tree. So look out for that video when I do my main tree. But for now, this is all I have. Let me know what you guys think. And until the next video, this is your Glamorous Penny Pincher Shalomie saying, love you, love you, love you, love you. Bye-bye.